If you've been bouncing between the Ninja French Door Premier and the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360, today's video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. I put both of these ovens through real-life cooking tests, pizza, pork belly, toast, and let's just say some differences showed up pretty quickly. We're talking pros, cons, quirks, personality traits, basically everything except for their zodiac signs. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one was secretly made for you. Let's get started. So what comes in the box? For the Ninja, it comes with an air fry basket, a sheet pan, wire rack, broil rack, crumb tray, and just a heads up, Ninja recommends hand washing all of their accessories. The sheet pan and crumb tray are not dishwasher safe. For the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360, here's everything that it came with. 2 small crisper trays, 2 small baking pans or drip trays, a small griddle tray, a main large baking pan, pizza stone, wire rack, rotisserie spit, and removal tool, the divider for the 2 zones, and the crumb tray. Accessories can vary by package. Some listings include more pans or larger trays. Others keep it simple, so definitely double check what you're getting. As for cleaning, these are dishwasher safe except for the pizza stone, which needs to be treated like a houseplant. No soaking, no soap, just gentle care and quiet encouragement. And the divider. It's not really an accessory, more like part of the oven, so probably not dishwasher safe. As for the cooking tests, we did the pizza test, which I used frozen DiGiorno pizza for both ovens. For the Ninja French Door Premier, it cooked the pizza exactly as the box described. 18 minutes, cheese melted perfectly, crust browned evenly. It's basically that friend who follows every recipe to the letter and actually gets great results. As far as the Emeril Dual Zone 360, thanks to the pizza stone, the Emeril gave the crust a slightly crispier bottom and handled moisture better. It felt more like I borrowed someone's brick oven for the night. So if you're a texture person, the Emeril edges ahead here. As far as the air fry test, this test highlighted the differences in the layout. The Ninja French Door Premier has a huge air fry basket, which can fry up to 5 pounds, or in my case, lots of pork belly. It can fry up to 5 pounds of fries, or in my case, pork belly, which is essentially giant chunks of bacon. The pan acts as a drip tray and it sits directly underneath the basket, and you can pull the entire setup out very easily and flip it on your countertop without worrying about putting tongs inside the oven and flipping. As far as the Emeril, you have to cook in 2 separate chambers, and it's a really tight spot and it requires a lot more choreography. On the plus side, Emeril has a shake reminder, which is amazing for people like me who walk away and sometimes forget they're cooking. Both performed really well, crisping the pork belly while keeping it moist and juicy in the middle. Emeril does offer a larger crisp tray that might be found in different packages or sold separately, so keep that in mind. As for the toast test, in the Emeril, I tested on shade level 5 on the left and then shade level 1 on the right. And shade level 5 came out dramatically toasted. Shade level 1 looked like it barely met the toaster. Exactly what you'd expect, so the independence of the 2 zones is pretty legit. The Ninja doesn't have 2 zones, but its results are consistent across both rack positions. Now, before I move on, there are some pros and cons for these 2 ovens, and if you're looking for even more precision than either of these ovens can offer, especially when it comes to cooking meats, you'll want to take a look at the Typhur Sync oven. It has a built-in smart food probe monitor that tracks temperature inside the food and shuts off automatically when it hits your target. I actually compared the Typhur with the Ninja, and that video is available right here if you want to check it out, or description in the link below if you want to check it after this video. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The Ninja French Door Premier Pros, it's extremely simple to use, single handle French doors that make you feel oddly fancy, and then a large 5-quart air fry basket, and it's predictable, beginner friendly. Now, there are some cons though. Some accessories must be hand washed, fewer modes, and you only have 2 rack positions. For the Emeril Dual Zone 360 Pros, you got 2 independent cooking chambers, sync feature, which is great for multitasking, a pizza stone for crispier pizza, shake reminders, and you can put a whole 6-pound rotisserie chicken on the spit, which is pretty cool. As far as the cons, it's narrow chambers if you use the 2 dual zones, and you have 2 sets of controls, which is more complex, longer preheat times, you need more attention to proteins, and the pizza stone does require special care. So which one is right for you? Choose the Ninja if you want something simple and intuitive, you love air frying, you want reliable, predictable results, and you prefer a single spacious chamber. And you'll want to choose the Emeril Dual Zone If you want to cook 2 dishes at once, or you need different temps and times simultaneously, you love the idea of a pizza stone, and you want toast precision that borders on excessive. These ovens aren't trying to replace each other. They're built for 2 completely different cooking personalities. If you want to see a completely different matchup, check out my comparison of the Emeril Classic French door oven versus the Typhor sink oven by clicking here or in the description below. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.